In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to cast on stitches using the German twisted cast on. The German twisted cast on is a beautiful, neat and stretchy cast on that can be used in a range of different projects. Let's get started. For the German twisted cast on, you will also need a long tail, so make sure that you have enough yarn pulled out. We are going to start with a slip knot. This side is coming from my yarn cake and this side is my tail. Take the working yarn and wrap it around your fingers like this, making a cross. Put the needle underneath the front strand, grabbing the back strand and pull tight. To make the German twisted cast on is similar to a long tail cast on and how you set up. The working yarn will be at the thumb and the tail will be over your index finger. So we're going to grab the yarn like this. You're going to take the needle and pull it down, still holding on to everything. Take the needle and go underneath both strands at the thumb. Grab the strand on the right side of your thumb and pull it forward underneath the other strand on your thumb. Bring the needle around and grab the yarn on the index finger. Now twist your thumb down to untwist the yarn on your thumb and then pull your needle through the now untwisted loop on your thumb. Take your thumb out and tighten a little bit. Let me show you one more time. The working yarn will be over your thumb, the tail end over your index finger. Grab both strands with your other two fingers down there. Take the needle, pull it down. Take the needle and go underneath both strands on the thumb. Grab the strand on the right side of your thumb and pull it forward underneath the left strand on your thumb. Bring the needle around, grab the yarn on the index finger by going over the strand and grabbing it from right to left. Now twist your thumb down to untwist the loop on your thumb and pull the needle through the now untwisted loop on your thumb. Take your thumb out and tighten a little bit. And that is how you make the German twisted cast on. You can now use this process to cast on as many stitches as you need for your project. I'm so happy that you chose to watch this video and learned a new cast on method to use for future projects. Please comment down below what project you are making and where you are going to use this cast on method. I love to hear from you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of my content. And I will see you in the next one.